Hey, I wanted to show folks how to download the SimplePractice app. In this case, this is on iPhones, but it's also available on Androids, and see how to kind of get it set up and then do some of the key features. So you'll notice here that I've actually downloaded it before, but for this video, I wanted to show the whole process. So you'll notice there's two. I've searched on SimplePractice, and oops, okay, and there is the one for clinicians, which is the one that I use, and then there's the client portal, which is the green one. So that's the one that you'll want to download. So I am going to click on that, and it should be pretty fast here. But I wanted to make sure that I showed people how to set it up for the first time using their email address, because more than likely, if you've requested an appointment already and maybe even filled in some paperwork, you've interfaced on the web portal, but not necessarily on the app. So I'm going to open this here, and yeah, so it's going to prompt me for it's going to prompt you for the email address that you originally used to fill out stuff online in terms of the web portal. So it's going to send me the link and go to email, and it's actually in here. So let's see, it's checking for it. So come on, there it is. Okay, so you'll get an email, and then I'll click sign in, and then there it goes. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and allow this. Send notifications, yes. Okay, so I wanted to also show you how to enable biometrics like Face ID or Finger ID, so you don't have to do the process, I think, of doing the email every time. So I'm going to go to App Security here, and I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to enable Face ID, but password required. It's not your iPhone password. It's just one that you actually specify for this app. So I'm going to go ahead and set that, and I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there. So now it will have Face ID enabled in this case for getting in for future times. So, okay, so as you'll see here at the top, if you have more than one people that are you're managing appointments for, like yourself and a child, or yourself and a couple, whatever, it would allow you to switch. But if not, it'll just show your name there. So you would easily switch if you wanted to manage appointments for the couple or the child, whatever. Request appointments, pretty straightforward. Just kind of going through, select. It's designed to do more than there's more than one therapist at the practice, but let's say a play therapy session. Next, the location. And then you just can access the calendar to find a time that works, and sometimes it'll show you afternoon and evening if those are available. But and then you select the time, hit request now, and then the request will go through, and then I would accept it, assuming I don't have a conflict. So I'm going to close out of this. I also wanted to show about you can update or upload new cards for payment. So that's how you do this here, and it's bank level encryption. And also you can review and sign documents here, including like informed consent, and even like demographics, just normal stuff that's, yeah, and it's just optimized for the iPhone. And also you can upload a document here that you may want to share with me. So like a document from a psychological test for a child that you got from a psychologist, or also even some journal entries, or the kind of things that we may have talked about in session. That's an option. So you can do that from the phone. The last thing I want to show you is the secure messaging here. So if you'll notice, it's just got that little kind of chat icon thing up in the upper right. I click on that, and then this is how we can communicate between sessions for clinical content. And it works, it's got a pretty long character limit, but if something is really long, to avoid being cut off, you can just set it and do it in multiple messages or it can also upload a document like a PDF or something like that that's longer. So anyway, I just wanted to show you those things. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.